So you hear it?
Oh
wait, actually you could hear it.
Yeah, that's what some people live for. They're gonna make you sleep.
What? You want to go? You want to go through? Now you want to get hit by? You want to pull a Final Destination?
No.
How you do that?
What's burning?
Car.
How you make a fire?
I don't know, but they say that they're supposed to turn off these the noises, or else it's gonna bother people. Oh man.
Car's gonna blow.
What's that noise? Here comes the pink line.
Sir, how many?
Here comes the faggot line!
Oh, here comes
The pink line.
Panther.
Dun-dun, dun-dun.
That's a big line.
Why the car look
What? Only 2 cars?
Yes!
You gonna stop for nothing?
What about 4 cars? What happened if there was 4? What if there was a lot of people? That's what we stopped for, Johnny.
For 2 fucking trains.
Here, hold this. What's the car not start at all?
Great, it don't start. Does it start? Hey, Johnny got scared.
Why, Johnny?
But another train's coming?
Oh, hold on.
Yeah, next day there'll be 1 train.
No, I smell something burning.
The car. You're about oil fast though. CVS has it.
Yeah, they do it.
What happened? He's dying.